Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your location from travel apps. So first thing first, if you would like to enable your location for any type of travel app, make sure that you do it only for that second and then turn it off immediately. I'm going to show you what I meant by that. Head over to your settings, scroll all the way below, select apps. For instance, if this is a travel app, select it, select permissions, allow location for the time that you use it, and again turn it off once you're done with using that application. You can also select this button that says manage app if unused. And likewise, you may go ahead, toggle your location on or off according to your preference once you're done using that travel app. And if you would like to hide your location entirely, I'm not sure that is possible because travel apps will require location to find the best option according to your preferences. So these are all the things that you can do to hide your location after you are done using the app. This is how you can do it, guys. Thanks for watching.